So today I have a really good method for doing certain types of affiliate marketing. So without wasting any of your time, let's get into the method. So today we are looking at ShareASale. Okay, so ShareASale is essentially a network that connects different programs, different merchants to different affiliates. Okay, so on one hand you have a merchant who wants to sell a certain product or service. And then you have certain affiliates who could be interested in promoting that product or service. So once you log into ShareASale, once you log in and you get your free account, it's actually very easy. All you have to do is go to merchants and you can search, you can find the merchant. Take a look at all of these categories. Tons and tons of different categories that you can promote. And let me tell you a few things about ShareASale, right? Unlike ClickBank, unlike Max Bounty, ShareASale is very reputable. You actually have really good offers here. You're gonna find businesses here that you use every day, that you heard about before, and I'm gonna show you some businesses in a minute. But really, you're gonna find a lot of very reputable businesses, a lot of reputable brands, a lot of reputable companies. And so as a result, it's going to be very easy to promote because a lot of these products are essentially going to be promoting themselves. Now, granted, you're also going to find some businesses and merchants that are not well known, but you're also going to find a lot of well-known businesses and a lot of well-known merchants. So now that you know that, you have to realize that's a big advantage to promoting something like ClickBank, where a lot of these products nobody has heard about before, nobody knows what they do, nobody knows if they need them. Whereas if they see a product that they've seen before, customers, consumers, they're going to be a lot likelier to go and buy the product, and you're going to be a lot likelier to get that commission. So having said that, now you understand the big advantage of ShareASale and why I love it so much. Let's talk about the different types of offers you can promote. Okay, so we have different categories here. You have lots of interesting offers, and you're kind of free to promote any kind of offer that you want. Look, you have books and media, you have automotive, depending on your traffic, right? But traffic is not the only important thing. You also need a method. You need a unique method of promoting. And I'm going to be showing you a very unique method. And so if we go into financial, okay, I really like that category because there's always money in finance, right? Just finance is about money. And you have finance, you have money. So if you click on finance, you're going to see, what do we have? 19 offers here, right? Take a look at this one. We have all of these 19 offers. And one thing you have to keep in mind is that look at this EPC. Look how fat it is, right? EPC stands for earnings per click. And this is an average metric of all the clicks, their average value. Okay, so the average value of the clicks sent to this offer is over $130. We have $34 EPC, $16 EPC, $58 EPC, $58, $7.90, $2.33. And so we have very high EPCs and we have low EPCs. And this is actually sorted by EPC. The other thing that you can do is you can sort it by sale commission, lead commission. You can sort it by power rank if you want, which is kind of this popularity metric that ShareASale uses, similar to Gravity on ClickBank, very similar. But I really like to sort it by the 7-day EPC or sometimes 30-day EPC. You can also, sort it by start date, join status, etc., whatever you wish. But what's interesting about these offers is that everybody needs credit, and not everybody is interested in using your offer, right? So we have to make it easier for them, right? We have to make it simpler for them. So for instance, we are here in finance. We can also go into money, right? We can go into money, and you have this debt relief. You have all of these debts. You have all of these things. Now you have to ask yourself, why do people want credit? Why do people want debt relief? Why do people want to get a mortgage? The reason they want to get credit, or they want to, have debt relief because they have a lot of debt and they want to restructure it and, pay less per month, is because they're buying stuff, a lot of stuff, right? Maybe they bought a house, maybe they bought a car, they have a lot of debt, they want to restructure, they want to do something with it. And so as a result, what you want to be thinking is you need a method to make it easier for them to kind of get inside your funnel, so to speak. And so what you don't want to do is you never want a direct link, right? You never want a direct link to an offer. So if I say join program and I'm going to get my affiliate links, you never want a direct link because they don't even know what this does. They're not interested in it. They want to, calculate how much debt they're going to save, how much payments, how much less their payments are going to be, how much money they're going to save on their payments, right? You guys got to think, right? So we have credit repair, we have financial, we have all of these interesting offers. And what I really like this offers is how easy it is to promote, right? These are the kinds of offers that is very, very easy to promote because they all have in common is money, debt, etc., etc. Now, what you want to do is the next thing you want to do, let me show you something very interesting. So if you Google mortgage calculator, you have here bankrate.com, which is a great site. And if you open this site here, you're going to have different calculators. So for instance, I open this mortgage calculator here. And if I go to calculators, I'm going to be on this page right here. Okay. And why is this site that's, making millions of dollars every year, why are they dedicating a whole page to different calculators? Look at this one: mortgage, credit card, auto calculators, home equity. And that is because people want numbers. They want to crunch numbers. They want to figure out, okay, if I have this much money, how much is it going to take me to pay off my house? If I'm going to, make these monthly payments, or, if I'm getting a competing offer from a different bank, from a different credit card, right? Credit card payoff calculator, right? For instance, I can click on it and let's say my balance is, I don't know, $10,000, right? And my credit card interest rate is, let's say, 10%, and I'm making 500 payments per month, and I want to pay it out in 12 months, right? I have calculators. These are my monthly payments. It has what are your goals, etc., etc. So calculators are very, very important. And for people, calculators is like crack. They love it a lot. They really enjoy it. And that is why we're going to be talking about calculators today. And what you want to do, and I'm going to show you the whole flow, how you can promote different offers and share a sale using a very, very innovative method. So what you want to do is you want to go to a website called ucalc.pro. It's an interesting domain, ucalc.pro. Okay, you're going to go in, you're going to create your free account. Once you create your free account, you're going to be on a page that looks something like this, okay? So I can click this button and it's telling me, do I want to build it myself or do I want to use a template? I'm going to click use a template. And now take a look at this one. We have automotive calculators, right? Book a taxi, fuel consumption calculator. We have restaurant and cafes, right? We have, ordering pizza, right? If I go into popular, guess what my popular calculators are? Calculating home building, mortgage calculator. Okay, take a look at this one. So we can view it. Take a look at this beautiful, beautiful calculator we can apply for a mortgage loan. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't this button just amazing? And now let me ask you something. Where do you think this button is going to link? Okay, let me ask you something. Where is this button going to link? If you answered it's going to link to an affiliate offer, you are absolutely correct because that is exactly what we're going to be doing. So if we click on create a calculator, we are going to start with this beautiful template. We also have a formula. And we're not going to mess with this formula too much because it looks like a professional formula. It looks like it's the right formula. We're going to go into the design. And really, there's not much we need to do. Your contact details, apply for a loan. Now, if we click on this, we can go into settings and we have form success message. We have terms and conditions. We have this. If we go on click, look at this one. On click, send notifications, link click. Look at this one. Enable, specify a link that will open in a new tab. Now, what do you think you're going to put in here? Well, the answer is the affiliate offer. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to share a sale. You're going to find an offer that has to do with credit or mortgage, right? So you're going to go in here. You're going to go through these offers, national debt relief. A lot of these, anything having to do with credit, you can pretty much promote, right? So for instance, you can go in here. We have BBD Unlimited credit, right? And the way you're going to do it is when you're going to be promoting the software, you're not going to be promoting to people who want credit. You're going to be promoting to people who are looking for a mortgage, right? They need a calculator, and you're going to say, I'm not going to give you offers that you can sign up for a bank or for a mortgage. You're just going to promote a simple calculator. And then when you apply for a mortgage, you're also going to collect emails, right? So for instance, take a look at this one. We are collecting emails, right? Specify the text. We have the text. We have all of these things. We're actually collecting emails here. This is an amazing thing. And then when they click on it, we can send data to a CRM. We can proceed to payment. We're not going to be doing all that. We're just going to be redirecting them to the offer. That is the beautiful thing. Now, guys, you're not limited to this specific calculator. Take a look at this one. I can preview it, and I can take a look how it looks like on my computer, on my tablet, and on my phone, right? I can preview. And this is a beautifully designed calculator. And I can design it. Look at this. I can drag and drop a checkbox, right? I want a checkbox. Easy. I don't want it anymore. I can delete it, right? Down payment. Now, this calculator, do not mess with it because it already has a formula that works, right? It already calculates everything. So I can click on preview, and I have the calculator. So I can enter my property value. Let's say I'm buying a property, $200,000. Down payment, $20,000, $20K. Interest rate is, 4%, something like that. And I can do all of these things. Terms of your last employment, 4 to 6 months, loan start date, whatever. I can fill it out, and I can say apply for mortgage loan. It says loan amount. It already calculated for me, right? So not only can I actually interact with this form, but it already calculated the values for me. This is the loan amount because I want it. The house is $200K, and my down payment is $20K. Remaining is $180K. My monthly payment is this. Required income is this, right? Double. That is what the calculator is doing, and then I can fill it out. And once I see the numbers, I can click apply, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to redirect to the offer. But not only that, we're also going to be connecting emails, right? We're also going to be collecting different emails, and that's really the power of this calculator. Now, you don't need to promote this calculator, right? You can create your own calculator. You can promote automotive, right? If you go into automotive, you have calculating car fuel consumption. If they want to buy a car, right? So for instance, I can view this calculator, and I can do a fuel consumption calculator. If I want to buy a car, I can calculate how much, if I've driven this amount, and, the liters that I consumed, the trip, the distance that I drove, and then it's going to tell me the fuel consumption, right? You can create all kinds of calculators. And what I really like is I highly recommend you guys go to bankrate.com/calculators, and you can get a lot of ideas. Look at this, credit card calculators, home equity loan, and you can go to this tool and you can do it for free. You can create this calculator absolutely for free. And if you have any trouble at all, you can email them and you can ask them for help, and they would love to help you out. They're very helpful. They have really good customer service. Look at this. We have economics and finance. You can calculate your website CTR, right? So this is a great calculator, right? So let's take a look at this calculator. Very simple, number of clicks, number of impressions. This is a very simple calculator. And so this kind of calculator would be good for people starting websites, new businesses, people just building a website. You can make it a little bit more complex, and then you can promote completely different offers, right? So for instance, one really good offer is FreshBooks. And so here you have FreshBooks. You're getting $55 per sale, 274 EPC. And in order to promote something like FreshBooks, you can create a very simple income calculator, right? So you can go in here and you can find an income calculator. You have savings calculator, you have personal finance. So here's a money calculator, right? You can do this very simple calculator, amount of savings you have today, and then you can promote something like FreshBooks. And everybody knows about FreshBooks. It's not your fly-by-night product that appears today, is gone tomorrow. It's not one of these crappy products that you see being promoted on all of these other affiliate networks. This is a quality product, and you can promote using a very simple calculator such as this one, right? Save money calculator, or some kind of a business calculator. You can go in here and you have loan calculator, right? You have mortgages, tax, small business calculator, right? This is probably the best. We're going to go to this category and we have calculate your payment on a loan, gross profit. You can take any of these calculators and you can create one using UCalc, and then you can promote FreshBooks, because chances are if they're using that calculator, they're going to be interested in FreshBooks. And so you have pretty much an unlimited number of ways that you can promote different things using this tool. That is what makes it super powerful. And the only thing is that you probably are not going to know how to build a calculator from scratch. And the way you want to do it is you want to go to bankrate.com/calculators and start there. This is the way that you can do it. All right, guys. Remember, it's not limited to this. It's not limited to finance. You can pretty much promote anything. So for instance, you can go to UCalc and you can click popular. You can have all of this. You can do automotive. You have home appliances, furniture. You have a lot of interesting things. Kitchen cost calculator, window cost calculator. What you want to do is you want to place this calculator before a specific offer, and that is going to improve in your conversions. Okay, so the popular way is obviously this mortgage calculator, but you can also do, different ones. You can also do finance type calculator, small business type calculator, stuff like that, and then promote an offer like FreshBooks. All right, guys. So that is the method I wanted to show you today. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment below, smash the like button. Let me know in the comments below what kind of video you want to see next, what kind of trouble you have promoting different offers, and I would be glad to help you out. All right. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.